Most truck drivers don't fail, they just get stuck. They get stuck in the same pay, they get stuck with the same routine, they get stuck with the same problems year after year. And the worst part of it is, a lot of times they don't even realize that they're stuck in that. If you've been in trucking for a while, you're probably feeling like this. You're probably already feeling like, I'm just working, I'm getting through, I just drive, I go from point A to point B, and that's enough. It's a trap, folks. It's a trap. You have to get out of the trap, get out of the continuous cycle of just doing the same stuff over and over and over. Because if you just stay stuck in that trap, you're never going to make any money, and all you're going to do is drive. That's all you're going to do. You're going to drive from point A to point B and make someone else happy because you're just continuously working. The trap looks like, I'll just stay here a little longer. This is good enough for now. I'll figure it out later. When's later going to come? You have to realize later is now, not later. Do it now. You have to figure it out. Because just because nothing's going wrong doesn't mean that it's getting better either. You have to realize that throughout your career, your driving career. Get out of just staying stuck in the rut, staying with the same pay, staying with the same company. Because all of this stuff, we do it because it's comfortable. We do it because we don't like change. Staying too comfortable is what's holding you back. You have opportunity to go other places. You have the ability to go other places. But the reason you stay where you're at, most people, the reason they stay where they're at is because they're comfortable. No one wants to do the change. No one wants to do the hard work. They're just happy with whatever they have and just float along. You're happy with the same company. You're happy with the same habits. You're happy with the same routine as far as same loads. You go from here to there or whatever it is, you just stay happy and just like, okay, I'm good. But it's not building you any wealth. You're not going to get rich in trucking, but you can build some wealth. I know a lot of people that have built enough of wealth in trucking to retire fairly early and to have the things that they want and to be able to provide for their families. If you just stay stuck in the same routine, you're not going to go anywhere. I did it for years. I know. I did it for a lot of years. You get afraid of going to another company, afraid that they're going to send you somewhere that you don't want to go, that you're going to have to figure it out all over again. You did it once. Why not do it again? That's what I had to tell myself as I just stayed with the same company and stayed with a crappy pay for a few years. And then I realized that this doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense to just stay stuck all the time in life and in your job. Another thing that I realized, and a lot of people do it, myself included, especially whenever I started, I did not track where I was at to where I was going or where I'm at now. I didn't track anything. I didn't track my progress as far as a driver. You know, am I getting better at, everyone notices you get better at like backing and things like that. Am I getting more income? Is the income coming up, getting better? Is there opportunities that I'm missing? Am I afraid to ask for, even if you stay at the same company, am I afraid to ask for, better trips or better runs? I don't want to make anybody mad. I just, want everybody to be happy, and I just want to get along and all of this kind of good stuff. That's not the way to live in trucking or in life, period. You have to go for what you want. You have to go for what you want. And just staying stuck and just be whatever, it's not going to work. Not for long. And, and even if it does, you get burnt out. then you want to quit driving or just go get a whatever job, and then you're stuck in it too. It's just a continuous cycle. You have to get yourself out of it. I'm telling you this because there was a lot of time that I went through the years that I missed income because I was comfortable. I missed opportunities, even better runs, even with the same company, because I was comfortable doing what I was doing. I didn't want to change. I didn't want to challenge. And that just made everything grow so much slower. Even though I was just running like crazy and doing and going and all of this good stuff, it didn't matter because I was doing twice the work, maybe even 3 times the work as other drivers, but I wasn't going anywhere because I wouldn't get out of my comfort zone as far as going to different places or trying different things. You know, I started out in car hauling. I thought it was the thing to do, but once I look back now, I made a lot of money then, but compared to what I'm doing now, I really didn't. And I worked 3 times harder hauling cars than I do flatbed. Car hauling is no joke. You're constantly moving, constantly busy, and it's go, go, go. The car dealers you're taking cars to, they think they're going to rust before you get them there, I guess. I don't know. They want them yesterday, whenever they bought them today. You know, they want you to get it there as fast as you possibly can. So if I wanted to avoid this trap starting over, here's what I do. And I do it. I actually do this to this day. I started several years ago and I do it to this day. You ask yourself, where do you want to be in a year or two? Do you want to be here at the company you're with? You want to be at a different company? Do you want to be an owner operator? Do you want to be a company driver? How much pay do you expect to make, in the next couple of years? You need to write this stuff down, folks. Write it down and evaluate regularly if you're improving. If you track things, you know where you're at to where you're going or where you are now. Do you learn something all of the time? There's a lot to learn in the trucking industry. There's a lot to learn in life in general. I always strive to learn something every day if I can. That doesn't always happen, but I try to. And another thing that I started really paying attention to is, am I making more than I was last year or last month even? Not am I making more than this other driver? Am I making more than I did as a driver? That's what I track. I don't compare myself to another person or another driver. I go by what I make, what I do. And that's the way I track it. Don't compare yourself to someone else. We all do things different. Don't compare yourself to someone else. And I've always done that. I was really bad at it years ago. I would come out, well, he's making more than I am. What have I got to do to catch up? What do you got to do to catch up with who? Catch up with yourself. That's what I had to tell myself. Catch up with yourself, folks. Do what you're going to do. What makes you happy. Make the amount of money that you need, not what, don't keep up with the Joneses. Do your thing. Don't worry about what everyone else is doing. If you need $60,000 to live per year, fine. If you want $100,000 to live on per year, do that. You have to figure out where you want to be and how hard or how motivated you are to go that direction. Because the only way you're going to grow is be a little uncomfortable. Growth is discomfort. Think of it like this. Whenever we were children and growing up, I don't know about everyone else, but they have growing pains. And I had growing pains pretty bad, especially in my knees. For some reason, doctor said I grew too fast. And it was pretty painful. There is growing pains in life as you go through it. And in business, in careers, there's growing pains. If nothing is changing, you're choosing to stay where you're at. I would encourage you, if you want things to change, get a little uncomfortable and choose to do different. At some point, you have to decide, are you just a driver or you're building something. If you'll think about this industry or this job, even if you're a company driver, as a business, as your business, you will do a lot better. Make you a business out of it. Say, hey, where can I improve? What do I need to do to improve? And go from there. Because until you start asking yourself questions and getting a little uncomfortable, you're just going to stay stuck. Now, once you break out of this, that's when you can actually build a real plan. Not just short-term moves or motivations, a long-term strategy. This can be a long-term career in trucking. There is ups and downs in it. There is positives and there is negatives. There may be more negative than positive for some people. You have to figure out which direction you want to go and how hard you want to actually work toward that. Because it's not going to just fall in your lap. Nothing falls in your lap. Nothing is free. I don't care what anybody says. Nothing in this world is free. You have to work for it. You have to strive for it. You have to push for it. You learn. And that's the only way that I believe you're going to be successful. As I said to start with, most drivers don't fail. They just stay stuck too long. You stay stuck in the same old. Don't let that be you. Get out of it and push forward, because you're going to wind up years and years down the road and you're going to regret it. Trust me. I know. I've been there. I've done that. And there's a lot of other drivers that comment on this channel that have been there and done that. If you would, comment below. What is your goals? Where are you at in your career? What is your plans to move forward, to grow in your career? And if you would, subscribe, like this video, share this video. All of that helps. And I appreciate you watching. And I'll see you in the next video.